So this is the final. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Faulata Lihabi, and as usual today we're going to do something awesome. So we're going to use some Mali braid that I used last time. This is how it looks like. So this is one of the simplest hairstyles you can do just by yourself, because it only requires either braids, or you can use Afro kinky, or you can also use these Mali braids. I would also like to see the outcome, because this is the first time that I'll actually be using these braids. So stay tuned till the end and let's see the results. Welcome. So we need our Mali braids, and here is our comb. So simple. So first of all, you cut a line through your hair. This is just my simple way of doing it, because I don't want so many of them on my head. I intend to do like two on each side, since I also don't want to take up much time. And by the end of the video, I'll be telling you how many minutes or hours I took to do all of this. So this is how you're going to do it. It can't be all perfect, but at least you can try. So let's go get on with it. I'm going to start from the back coming up. So you can apply some oil if you want. If you don't, it's also okay. So for the back, you can just do one. Since you're just going to make big ones, don't want them to be too squeezed, so you can just do one. So the hair is usually divided into some small pieces already. So you can just take two of this. This is one, and then you get another one. So you crisscross them like that. Put this one across the other one. So if you want to make a bigger knot, you can also like use longer hair, but I think this is just enough. I'll just lengthen one of my sides a bit for both sides, and you'll understand the meaning as I do one of them. So we start. Then slowly by slowly you start plaiting your hair. It's just like a normal matuta, so it's not complicated. I hope you can see the pattern is just a normal plait. So at this point, when you have two strands left, you can just twist it. So this is the reason why I lengthened the two sides, so that it could end as one thin braid. It will be easier when you're doing the knot. When it comes to an end, it won't bulge out at the bottom, so it will be easier to fix it. Like, I'll just demonstrate with this. So this is what we have, and you can just put your finger so that you don't tighten it too much. You can put your finger in the middle, then roll your braid around it. So this thin end is helpful because you will just like tuck it in, you'll pull it inside so it gets to disappear and it holds your hair into position. So that's why you don't have to use a pin while you're doing this hairstyle. And there is your knot. You see, you can't see the twisted part. Take our strands again, crisscross one on top of the other.
As for plaiting, I never went to school to learn how to style my hair, to learn how to plait my hair. No. What actually happened is that we grew up in a place where there was plenty of grass everywhere. So as kids, you play with dolls and anything around that you can use to play, So when you've learned to plait a matuta on your doll, you can also try that on grass, and we used to do it pretty well. Not knowing that one day I'll be here doing it on a YouTube channel. But it's fun anyway. I enjoy every bit of this. I really do. What I've also come to realize in life is sometimes most of the things that you end up doing are things that you didn't actually study in class. With the little knowledge you have on anything, absolutely anything, you're able to achieve things. You're able to do great things.
So you can part your hair into 3. After parting your hair into 3, you also divide your braid pieces into 3. Like this will go with one piece of hair, this one with the other, and these 2 with the last one. So just at the back, hold your hair like this, the 3. Then you come and place it here. So these 2 strands will go with this, the middle one will go with the middle one, and finally this one will go with that piece of hair. That's how you hold it. And then you plait slowly by slowly. I told you guys this is so simple, just like you're doing a matuta. As I told you, I'll be using my finger so that I don't tighten it too much. It also helps to hold it into position. For the twist, since you don't want it to show, this is why you get to tuck it in. Since it was also thin at the bottom, this is where it comes in to hold your hair into position so that it doesn't loosen up or fall off. I'm just trying to be as accurate as possible so that it doesn't look so different from this other side. Well guys, this is the final look and I'm so in love with it. Paired up with these loop earrings, man, just nailed it. So this is it for just about 2 hours, but if you're fast enough with your hands, it can go for like 1 to 1.5 hours. So if I can just turn, then you see the outcome. It looks good. You can do this for a week, 2 weeks, even 4 weeks, depending on how much you want to stay with it. So thank you for coming back again. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting me. Kindly subscribe if you've not yet subscribed, and yeah, once again, bye bye.